Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Such a delightful, charming couple from Australia came to cook together with me today. We had such fun. Together we made bumbu genep, sate lilit bepase, cukut urap, cukut bejek, sambal matah, lawar gedang bepase, and jajak lepon as a dessert. Thank you so much for coming. Looking forward to cooking together again soon. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!